Home is where your heart is. Feel the love in this exquisite and tastefully decorated 3/2 Key West style home in the desirable Magnolia Lakes community in St Lucie West. This home features a nice front porch with an open and flowing interior floor plan with laminate flooring in living room and bedrooms, tiled wet areas, large master suite, cozy kitchen with breakfast nook and a nice and private oversized screened-in porch. This home is so inviting and perfect for family gatherings. Magnolia Lakes, a resort-style living community, offers a nice clubhouse, large pool, tennis basketball, volleyball, playground, exercise room, yoga and so much more. Take a peek and fall in love, you will not be disappointed.